Hello everyone, back again. This will be a very short video because I wanted to update today's flight video for the little boomerang. We got some better shots today and it's going to be a very short video, but the boomer flew again today, and I want to just take just a second and introduce you to the next airplane coming along. If I can put the boomer over here without him falling on the floor. This is another aircraft designed by Lewis, my Canadian friend, and it will also be available on Cults. It's a Fokker, and I've already started printing, and I wanted to show some of the kind of print details that go into these aircraft. They connect together. You can see the rudder servo is already mounted inside. Here's the cowling, and the cowl goes on with those little stubby prongs of filament. That's just using chopped up little bits of filaments as guide plugs to get into the holes that are on the front of that fuselage segment. And there's that. The cowl, the windscreen, and the big greenhouse on the Fokker all print in clear PLA, and they will print as one piece. They're included, the files that are included will give you 3 separate pieces, but they'll print as one. That simple. And they go together really quickly in segments. Here's one of the wings for the Fokker, and again, full span aileron. So I'm going to do a lessons learned and make the throws pretty small on these to begin with. Servo pockets are right here. I haven't mounted the servos, I just set it on here. But there's the servo pocket, control horn. Control horns, everything comes included in Lewis's files, and all you got to do is glue the stuff together and go fly it. Okay, enough talking. Here's the video. Thank you.